kumain na oh. I'm gonna go ahead and go. Woo. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and look for my friend. I'm gonna spy on them. He's about a few miles away. And my guys are there a few miles away. I'm gonna go ahead and check them out right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. Yes guys, he doesn't even know I'm actually on top of him. He doesn't even know that I'm on top of his kite. But see, the good thing about the Mavic 2 zoom is the fact that you don't have to be so close to the object, and you can see here, I did like fast it up, speed it up the video, but you can actually see here that you can zoom in and zoom out by not losing anything. And that's the reason why I picked the Mavic 2 zoom. You know, I like the Pro also, but you know, for this situation that I'm at, I totally enjoy it because I don't have no worries flying, especially on top of the kite. You know, you might think I'm close, but I'm actually like, you know, a couple more feet high. So it's good enough for me, you know, especially with kiteboarding here. You can see I did zoom it up a little bit faster, and you know, you don't want to hit a kite and the line also. So yeah, and he doesn't even know that I'm actually on top of him. And I actually give this video to him and he was just surprised, you know. Yeah, but anyway, it's really good what the Mavic can do. And also, when you see right here when it says return to home, you gotta make sure you want to return to home, especially for my situation. I'm in extreme wind, so as soon as I seen that, you know, return to home, I start, you know, going back home as soon as I can. And you know, of course, over here by the pier, I don't want to get too close to the people. That's why I go beside it. Zero loss signal. Wow, this is amazing. Mavic! Woo! Woo! Look at that thing. Wow! On extreme wind like butter. And guess what? And I can still zoom into my friends on the other side. See? Wow! And this is the wind condition too. And here you go. Alright, he's coming. He's coming. Full speed. It's coming. Hello. Woo! Wow, the Mavic. Woo! So you have plenty time what you want to do. And I can still do some quick shots here. And like I said, you know, for 30 minutes flight time, I think it's good enough, you know, to fly your Mavic 2 or this drone. It's just, you know, you can do a lot more for, you know, not only for long range, but you can do plenty of things that you want to do. But anyway, yeah. So it's good. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.